Good morning everyone, welcome back to the Intaco, welcome to Baton Non-League Matchday. Today, SSS Lions are up against CBH Fasteners in the quarter final of the BSA Cup. Let's see how this goes.
Have a shot. Hey, good.
Free kick for CBH. Lions gone for the shot, and that is a decent save from Liam Phelan. Let's keep that 0-0. Now corner in from Brendan Hicks. And it's an own goal. SSS Lions take the lead. They could not have got off to a better start than that. Low corner hit on the ground by Brendan Hicks, and it managed to find its way in. 1-0 to SSS Lions.
Come on, keep going, boys.
Now it's Brendan Hicks again, that's delightful. Briggs, that is great passing. Now here's Turner, could be in on goal here, he's gone for the shot. Keeper's built it, and that is a good recovery from the keeper. 1-0 still. Now for Sergeant Javo to Brendan Hicks. That's really well played, and Javo is in on goal here. He's gone for it, and it's 2-0. SSS Lions find themselves 2 goals up here at the Intaco. They could not have got off to a better start than this. SSS Lions 2, CBH now.
Not up for it, are they?
Free kick for CBH. Header. Oh, and that's cleared off the line from Javo. Well played. And CBH again's gone for the shot, but that was no real danger for the Lions. Lions could come forward now as Brendan Hicks. Now Javo. It's into the box. Gifford makes it 3-0 to SSS Lions. I don't think anyone expected this game to be quite so one-sided. These 2 teams are very even, but nonetheless, SSS Lions find themselves 3-0 up here at the Intaco in this BSA Cup Quarter Final tie. Now it's Brendan Hicks. Oh, he's gone for the shot from distance. Oh, and what a strike that is! Brendan Hicks have just made it 4-0 with an absolute stunner, long distance shot that found its way into the net. What a strike that was! 4-0. He is delighted with that one. No, corner in from Briggs. Now Gifford. He's gone for it. Oh, and that was disappointing. And that is half time here at the Intaco. SSS Lions 4, CBH Fasteners now. Okay, CBH could be a chance now. He's in on goal. Oh, and that is a terrific save from Liam Phelan. Well played. That is unreal. Now, here is Liam Phelan again. To Phil Sargent. Now, here's Nick Rumbold. Down the line. Oh, this could be dangerous. Failed clearance. Now it's Brendan Hicks. He has made it 5-0 here at the Intaco. It's been absolutely stunning performance from the Lions so far today. They find themselves 5-0 up, despite losing the previous game, CBH 3-1. Now, free kick, taken by Brendan Hicks. Save from the keeper. Now, Briggs. Now, here's Gifford, this could be a chance. But it's put wide. Corner in from Briggs. Handsy with the header. Well saved, again from the keeper. Briggs again. Well, that's a good ball to Sean Hunter. What can he do? He's gone for the shot. But that is into the hedge. Lions coming forward again. Oh, that is not the best tackle from the CBH keeper. He'll be lucky to get away with that one. Well, he won't, but... Yellow card for the CBH keeper. Now here is that free kick in from Briggs. It's Phil Sargent, and it is 6-0. What a header from Phil Sargent, and decent celebration as well. 6-0 to SSS Lions. Okay, now it's Turner. Gone for it. Saved by CBH keeper. Now Gifford. Now Brendan Hicks. Oh, this could be dangerous. Massive chance to make it 7. He's got to do it, surely. He does. Brendan Hicks makes it SSS Lions 7, CBH Fasteners 0. I think it's fair to say there's not much chance of a comeback now, with little time left in the game. 7-0. And that is full time here at the Intaco. Final score: CBH Fasteners 0, SSS Lions 7. And next week, well, this coming Sunday, Stilly Lions vs SSS Lions, massive tie that is, here on Non-League Matchday. And make sure you subscribe to Non-League Matchday and watch our previous video if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.